Good morning, guys. So as you can see, I've been making breakfast, and today I think we're going to do some organization in here. It's just, obviously it's looking crazy. So we're going to move the fall Halloween up, and we're going to move the Christmas down. Plus I have a new mug, but where is it? Oh, it's back here. I forgot to show you guys. Look how cute he is. I got him at TJ Maxx. So I'm actually going to use this one today for my coffee. Today's just one of those days where not a lot has been going on. I think from a vlog perspective, there's Loxie. She has a blanket. It's completely adorable. She loves it. And I did start a fire because it's really cold here today. And I think it actually like froze overnight. And that didn't sound right, overnight. I did clean out some of the ashes from the fireplace so that I could start some new logs. And that's pretty much it. There's really, like I said, not much going on. I've got the tree on. I know my hair looks kind of crazy. I just threw it up in a bun. I've had it in a beanie all day. That's how I filmed my video. It's actually over there on the couch. By the way, that particular backrest and the bottom part, and I knew this actually when I unboxed this sofa, those were not as filled as the others, and it's not comfortable. So I think what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna just get some cheap pillows from the at-home store, the ones that are just like 16 bucks, and then use that filling and put it into there.
You know, you just never know if people will buy them. When you're only a small business like this, you can't be left with thousands and thousands of the same products because, you know, you just can't do that. You have to pay up front for everything you sell. I just hope no one's feeling disappointed tonight. Not really quickly, but just my own conscience side, I hope they don't sell out straight away. I love all of my products and I'm happy with all
Young Draco. You know, on his Instagram story, or like he did like a reel or whatever today, like an Instagram thing, and he was like watching the first like 11 minutes of the first Harry Potter for the first time in 20 years.
What now? Just got in bed, and I really couldn't tell you what happened on this vlog. I feel like I just kind of spaced out. I had one of those days where I'm not sure what the heck I did, but as you can see, I'm in bed. I did do my workout and I took a shower, and I'm trying to get in bed early. It's about 10:30. That's early for me because I'm usually like sleeping around 1 or 2 in the morning. So I'm trying to get my sleeping schedule doing better. Here is Loxie with her blankie, which is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. I think everything's cute, in case you haven't noticed. And as you can see, I'm watching Frasier. This is my go-to feel-good show, and that sound that you hear is my air filter. I got this off of Amazon a really long time ago. I love this thing, and I do pop in new filters when it's needed. Yeah, so I'm just gonna relax. I think I have my outfit picked out for tomorrow. I think I'm gonna go to like Five Below, maybe even like Burlington's, which I never do. In my whole entire life, I think I've gone to Burlington's twice. Figured you guys might want to look at me while I talk, but if you have never checked out like my styling videos, I make those over on my main channel. So I think I want to do something sporty and relaxed, but now I get to use some of those things that I bought because it's finally getting cold enough. It's gonna be like low 30s, high of 50s here for about a week, and then I think it's gonna spike back up in like the high 60s, or like mid 60s, but that's North Texas for you. I really don't know what the rest of Texas kind of looks like, but in North Texas, the weather is bipolar for sure. So we decorated my daughter's tree. We put it by her bookcase, which is really, really cute. And I'm happy with the amount of ornaments that I bought for this year. And then once like Christmas goes on sale after Christmas this year, I'll remember to like get a couple of things to add for next year. I definitely think it needs a couple more little things, but overall for her, I think it turned out really cute. So we obviously did that. I made dinner, which I think you guys saw a clip of, but I didn't show you guys like the finished product. I just like sat down to eat, and I watched Home Alone Lost in New York. I don't know about you guys when it comes to Home Alone, but sometimes I have a hard time deciding between 1 and 2 because I think they're both so good. But I've been on a Lost in New York kick, so I watched that while I was eating, and then and that's it. Like I said, I don't really remember what I did today, but I'm going to relax. I hope that you guys found this relaxing, or it made you feel like you had some company with you. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, watch maybe another episode of Frasier, and actually I set my alarm on for 2:30 this morning because it will be December 1st, but apparently some unknown object that NASA really doesn't know what it is going to be flying like a little too close to Earth. Yeah, there's speculation that they think it's like junk from the 1960s, and I'm like, wait, what? But anyways, so I thought I would get up and see this thing fly by. I don't even know if I'll be able to see it without a telescope or anything, so I think I'm gonna turn off my alarm that I set for it and just maybe search for it and see if anybody like films it and puts it on YouTube or something. But I'm not sure if you guys heard about that or not, but that's kind of bizarre. And yeah, well, my arm is kind of hurting. You can see I have my hair up in a bun. I try to sleep like this because my hair otherwise gets like really tangly if I don't throw it up. Plus I miss my silk sheets, or pillowcases. I'm gonna have to like switch them out. As much as I love this, I have noticed that it, you know, girl, when you get my age, you gotta watch out for those wrinkles. So I need to switch these out tomorrow, and I need to wash my sheets too. So I think I need to do some like good cleaning of like mopping and all those things. But anyhow, that's it. Good night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.